Hey guys, today we're talking about the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp system. Now this thing is the world's first Basecamp cook system that will totally change the way you cook in the backcountry. It's truly incredible. I'm going to show you what it's all about. So the Genesis Basecamp system is basically a super fast and efficient 2-burner cook stove that comes with a 5-liter pot and a 10-inch frying pan. It all nests together in a compact package and weighs just 9 pounds. Everything works together to create the perfect system for fueling a demanding group during big adventures. So first let's talk about the Genesis stove itself. Now it's incredibly powerful with two 10,000 BTU burners, and it'll boil a liter of water in just over 3 minutes. But it's also incredibly efficient. In fact, one of these 1-pound propane bottles will let you boil 48 liters of water. Now on top of that, it has Jetboil's unbeatable simmer control thanks to their patented regulator valve technology. And here's how that works. Most stoves go from closed to fully wide open with just 1 turn of the valve here, but with Jetboil you get 4 full turns. That means you have almost infinite fuel flow adjustability and consistent heat output from a light simmer all the way to a rolling boil. So you can cook perfectly golden brown French toast for breakfast in the morning and then rapidly boil water for fettuccine at night, all on the same stove. Now each burner has a super reliable lever igniter for easy lighting, and the whole stove folds together for really easy storage. It's also JetLink compatible. So JetLink basically allows you to connect the Genesis to other stoves and accessories without the need for extra regulators and fuel sources. So all you do is connect a JetLink hose to the JetLink output on the Genesis, and then connect that same hose to the fuel input on the other stove, and you're good to go. So here we've got the Genesis hooked up to a half-gen, and off of the half-gen we've got a Luna burner. So you can daisy chain a bunch of stoves and accessories together and create the ultimate camp kitchen that'll feed your entire crew before you head out for the day. The Genesis Basecamp system comes with a 5-liter flux pot and a 10-inch frying pan for eco-friendly non-stick cooking. So the 5-liter pot comes with Jetboil's flux ring technology, which you can see right here, and that just helps out a ton with fuel efficiency and even heating. Now, they also have insulated handles for easy carrying, and the pot lid has an integrated strainer. Now the whole thing is designed so that the stove itself fits right into the pot, and then the frying pan fits on top of everything to create a nice compact package, and then the whole system fits right in this great carry bag, which has a separate padded compartment for the fuel regulator and padded walls so nothing gets beat up. So with the Genesis Basecamp system, you're really getting the ultimate camp kitchen in a bag. And thanks to JetLink, you can expand that kitchen depending upon how many people you've got in your group. Everything you see here nests together neatly and is super portable, but more importantly, you're getting an incredibly powerful and versatile cook system that's perfect for fueling your group before a big adventure.
United Cutlery has delivered in a big way with this all-new M48 double-bladed tactical Tomahawk. Following the unrivaled success of the M48 Hawk Axe, this innovative new Tomahawk does double duty with a 5.5-inch sharpened blade on each side of the head. The 2CR13 stainless steel head is cast of one solid piece of thick, hefty steel and is built for durability and strong use. A black oxide coating provides corrosion resistance and glare reduction, adding to the overall tactical look and feel of this revolutionary tool. The head is attached to the fiberglass reinforced nylon handle with 3 bolts for safe use while chopping, slashing, and even throwing. A reinforced nylon blade sheath allows you to carry it right on your belt or strap it to your pack to take this indestructible tool on all of your expeditions. This double-bladed beast is prepared for whatever you throw at it. Don't miss your chance to pick one up today.
This is the LeDuck by Outdoor Edge, a versatile fixed blade knife with an innovative sheath system for everyday carry. The drop point blade is ideal for all cutting applications, and the rubberized duck head handle offers a secure lock-on grip in all conditions. The LeDuck carries in a polymer sheath with removable clip that quickly attaches to a belt or molly system. The clip rotates 360 degrees, allowing the knife to be drawn instantly from any position. The included paracord converts LeDuck to a neck knife, allows for a variety of secure gripping options. The LeDuck is available with black or blaze orange handles. Be ready for any task at hand and make the cut with the LeDuck by Outdoor Edge.